Hi everyone, it's Miss Amy from Camden Public Library, and today at the library this morning I read this great book, Pipsy, Nature Detective by Rick DiDonato and Tracy Bishop, and it inspired me to utilize the Seven Wonders of Nature idea scavenger hunt that Pipsy took, and I have made a scavenger hunt for us and to do right here. And it doesn't matter where you are in Maine, in Camden, Rockport, in the United States, in the world, you can create your own nature scavenger hunt, or just a scavenger hunt out there. It doesn't even have to be a nature one. You don't even have to leave your home. You could do your very own right in your own house. So you don't have to do mine. You don't have to take the things that Pipsy found and try that. You could come up with the ideas that you want to find and do it for your friends, do it for your loved ones, do it for your siblings, whatever. It's just a really fun thing to do. And an indoor scavenger hunt on a rainy day is a great thing. And when you're outside and looking for something fun to do, it's a really great activity. So let's see what we can find. So I'm here in the children's garden, and I'm gonna look at this. So this is our scavenger hunt, and an animal's home, animal tracks, a sign that an animal was here, something crawling, something flying, something swimming, and your favorite wonder are all ideas from Pipsy's book. The rest of them are ideas that I came up with. So let's see what we can find. I bet there's something flying. Let's see if we can find it. Right there is a fly. See it? There it is. There's just a regular old fly. So there is my something flying. Ooh. All right. A tree with needles. And here we have some cedars. These are some shrubs, and they have needles, not leaves. All right, something flowering. Ooh, look, right here. This little creeping vine has little flowers on it right there. Maybe we'll see the chipmunk, and look at our beautiful garden. We have all sorts of things flowering in the garden. Let's see what else we can find. So we've got a tree with needles and something flowering and something flying. Let's see what else. I spotted something crawling. There's a little tiny ant right there, crawling. Can you see it? Oops, right there, a little tiny ant crawling. Nice. Ooh, all right. I found something up high. These are hawthorn fruit starting to grow. They used to be the flowers, but now they are fruit, and they'll be like little apples, but they're not apples. Cool. So something, let's mark it off. So we have something crawling, the ant, something flying, the fly, a tree with needles. The cedar, it's not a cedar, it's a fir of some kind. Something flowering, the creeping vine. Something up high, the hawthorn. Let's see. Let's see what else we can find. There is one of the camperdown elms, and look how high up into the sky they go. They are a beautiful, beautiful tree. Cool. Here I spotted an animal home. This is an anthill. And look at that ant has got something that he is putting in. They're going in and out. And he just carried a piece of orange, something, but they're going in and out right there. Very cool. Animal home. There is another animal home. So in this spider web, I don't know if you can see, way in there is a spider right in there, and he just went in because I was moving his web. Very cool. Here's some water from the fawn garden, but nothing's swimming in it today. Sometimes there's little frogs or water bugs, but not today. But look what I found. Right there is a little tiny wild strawberry. Check it out, guys. Very cool. This might be my surprising little surprise. Let's see. There it is, right there. Strawberry. Looks good. Cool. Remember I said something about cedar earlier? Here is some cedar, and look, they are flowering right there. And those will be pine cones later. Very cool. There you go. Animal scat. That is probably doggy poop. And that is definitely a sign that an animal has been here. This might be my favorite wonder. So, this shows all of the rings on the tree. And on the outside, they're really, really tight. So they didn't grow very fast in those years. And then these are bigger and they're farther apart, which means early on it grew a lot, and it had a lot of years that the tree grew and grew. And then in the middle, when it was first growing, it was small, and then it got a little bigger, and then it got really big quick, and then it really slowed down before this tree was cut down. And you can see each year of its life, and it's pretty old, and the center is all rotted out. It's probably an animal home. Some bugs have eaten it and done their thing. That, I think, might be my favorite wonder. Couple more things. We might not get everything today. Let's see. Favorite wonder. Let's see. Tree rings. Alright. Something down low. Ooh. Well, let's see. There are lots of things down low. Let's see if we can find something. Ooh. Well, here we go. Here's something down low. There is a pine pine cone. And this has been stripped, which means that is another sign that an animal has been here. Probably a chipmunk or a squirrel has eaten some of the pine right out. They've pulled it back so they can get to the seeds. Very cool. All right, we'll add that. So the only thing that we don't have is animal tracks and something swimming. We might not get it, but we can see. I think we're done for today. I hope you had fun, and I hope you get a chance to do a scavenger hunt inspired by this great book, Pipsy Nature Detective. And this is the second book in this series. This one's The Lunch Napper, with a mystery involved as well. So, hope you have fun. Happy scavenging, Miss Amy.